Hello everyone. It's Lisa McClatchy here, your favorite personal stylist or soon-to-be favorite personal stylist. And today I wanted to do a quick little video for you talking about outdated clothes. So I am currently running a program where I'm teaching the women how to edit their wardrobe, and I gave them a wardrobe checklist, so questions to ask themselves as they're going through their pieces in their closet. And one of the questions was, is it outdated? And I get that some people might be confused about what's outdated, because if you're not into fashion or style, or you don't shop a lot, it's hard to know whether something is outdated or not. So today I wanted to give you 3 tips on how to know whether or not something in your closet, and hopefully you're not wearing it, but something in your closet is outdated and it's time to go. So number 1 is that it speaks of a certain time. So what I mean by this is that it's a trend that was really popular at one time, usually like at least over a year ago. So a year ago plus. So if it was a trend, if you remember like, oh yeah, I remember when everyone was wearing this, it's probably an outdated trend. So some things that come to mind for me are cold shoulder tops. Those were a big trend a couple years ago, and they were a trend for a couple seasons. That's one. Super low-rise jeans. Now this is going back a little bit, but like early 2000s, super low-rise jeans were a very big trend. So if you have those are an outdated trend. So hopefully they're already out of your wardrobe, but if they're not, it's time to get them out. The second one is you don't see this particular item being sold in stores anymore. So again, this goes back to sort of the trends, but some that might not be so obvious to you. So if you don't see that type of particular item that's in your closet being sold in stores anymore. And I'm thinking things like, it would be very obvious things that have certain details on them, like, and you don't really see them anymore in the stores. Outdated is also expired. So if you're going through your wardrobe and you see something that is past its best before date, just they look old. So they're faded, they're worn out, stretched out, discolored, pilled, all that sort of stuff. Those are outdated at that point because they're kind of expired. They're past their best before date. So those are pieces that you should also get rid of. And also if it's a piece that feels like it's from a lifetime ago, like if it's something that you're like, oh, I remember the days when I used to wear this all the time. Usually this is like 5+ years ago. Those are things that are probably outdated by now, unless it's a very basic classic piece and it's in excellent condition. Okay, so if you liked this video, please hit the like button or hit subscribe if you want to hear more from me and get some notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.